Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let
Okay, here we go.
anybody
That's some nice
stand
sliced
in your
turkey.
way.
That's an avocado. That's some Colby Jack cheese. This is an egg. Cage-free, of course. Some nice Italian sliced bread. Some mayo, salt and pepper. Mike Foster here. This is another fried egg recipe, and it keeps getting tougher to meet your demands on these fried egg recipes. But guess what? I love them as much as you do. So let's put this bad boy together. All right, a little butter. Let's get that butter going. Get this on a little less than medium, depending on your stove, of course. Here's that egg. All right, nice. Little pepper. That's all you need. At least about another 30 seconds, then we'll flip it and add the cheese. All right, give this guy a flip. Nice. Here's that Colby Jack cheese. Let's get a good melt on there, so put it on low, let it go slow. Heidi-ho. And when that cheese is melted, I'll put this baby together. All right, toast is ready. Mayonnaise on both sides. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Take those avocados right here, lay them right there. You take that turkey, beautifully sliced, and just put it right there. There's a lot of sodium in this, but avocado just likes just a little salt. There's that egg. Put that down right here. Let's do the old flipperoo. Oh, that thing stacks up, doesn't it? Look at that. Little press, it's already leaking. Little press-a-roo. Now here's the sliceroo. Oh, that thing smells heavenly. Let's get to the reveal, you schmeal. There is the close-up of the fried egg, turkey, avocado, and cheese killer diller sandwich. A mouthful to say. Let's see if it's a mouthful to eat. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. I can't wait for a bite. This is going to be, I'm getting it assaulted by the flavors. The creamy mayo and the creamy avocado and the creamy yolk from the egg. And the creamy cheese, I guess it's creamy. But the texture from the toast gives it a little contrast. And then that turkey melt in your mouth. Check this one out. Hope you like my fried egg sandwiches. Hope you like Live Life 365. Hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name if you really like this channel. Tell other people about it. And keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Don't overwhelm it, Mike, with mayonnaise. This side now. That's absolutely delicious. I'm not kidding about this one. Oh. I gotta slow down before I make a bigger pig of myself. I'm running out of fried egg ideas. At least I got another sweet babu right here.